Hello friends, in this lecture we will see fixed axis guiding curve. Okay, we use this option to uh, finish any surface and it allow us to specify cut pattern, cut direction and cut order as per our requirement. So I'm going to use this. So program is my finish core tool is this ball mill. We use ball mill, bull mill or spherical mill for this option. Okay, and now I'm going to use the second method, this morphing. First option we have already used in previous video. So morphing I'm going to use and select the guiding curve. So first guide is this, add, next guide is this. Okay, and my cut pattern is zigzag, and along guide toolpath will create along the guide, and cut order from guide 1. So guide 1 is this, so toolpath will start from here, and number, and number step over is 10. Okay, and rest is same. And here from the geometry I am going to select this surface as a cutting geometry, generate, say, and see the verification. It will start from this guide 1. Okay, and for next option just click it, and this cut order I'm selecting outside in alternate and generate, and just see this. It is starting from outside and moving towards the center, and I can change it from inside out alternate and generate, and verify. It is starting from the center and moving outward, and I'm going to change this from curve 1, from guide 1. Okay, so this is the same. And now my order is this cut direction in opposite guide, and this time I'm going to use the same outside in alternate. Okay, opposite toolpath will generate. Okay, and this cut direction is opposite, and from guide 1 I'm using this one, generate it. Now the direction is reverse. The direction first, if it is along guide, so tool is starting from here. Now it is opposite, so opposite of this guide 1 it is starting. So this is the morphing option, and in next video we will see racetrack.